Hi there. So a lot of customers have been sending their items to us, in specific Nintendo Switches Lites, the boards, due to failed installs of the HW Flies, and we appreciate it. Some customers have been asking for us to make some videos, and so that's exactly what we're doing today. We're going to create a video. There's a customer request, and this is pretty straightforward. He tried installing a chip. I don't think we got too far on this one, but if you can see there, I'm going to point it out, and there's an arrow there. If we try to boot up the switch, we get the backlight, but no video. So he pointed out this trace here, and yeah, definitely this can cause that. If you guys can see that there is a trace that was cut right there. So we're going to replace that. We're going to fix that. The other one seems fine. There's one next to it, and we're going to see if that makes the switch come back to life. Okay? We're going to start by cutting that piece of metal there on the side. We're going to cut it here and here. By the way, this is a Nintendo Switch Lite. And if you guys are new to this channel, you guys can subscribe and hit that like button. That helps us a lot. We will continue to make videos of this nature. We really love what we do, and we appreciate the good feedback that we have been getting. We are expanding a little bit onto the laptop repairs and all that stuff, and we've been doing them for a while. However, we really like fixing gaming consoles, so we stick to this, and we're probably going to be recording more of this in the future. We're definitely going to be recording more of this in the future. But eventually I want to get into the more, I guess, advanced fixing, like troubleshooting and finding shorts on the switches here and gaming consoles. Okay, so here on this one, this is a pretty straightforward fix. We are going to eventually, I think he probably wants to install the chip. So we're going to scrape this part here, and we can either connect this trace to this point here or directly here. We're just going to keep it simple and connect it here. So what I'm doing is just scraping that part there. This one seems fine. We're not going to touch that. And we are going to be using something called the jumper wire. At this time, I'm going to turn on my fume extractor, and this type of fault or mistake is kind of common. People send it in for multiple reasons. Switches, especially when when they're trying to install the HW Fly or the RP2040s on these. This can happen if you're just not careful. Like I tell everybody, just take your time and take it easy, and everybody can be successful, I suppose. So we are going to use some jumper wire here real quick. And as you can see, I pre-tinned that area there. A lot of people ask what type of flux I use. This is Amtech flux. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but it's Amtech Flux NC-559-ASM. But honestly, almost any flux works. So here what I'm doing is I'm pre-tinning the wire here. And that is it. The wire is in place. Now we get this type of tool. This is, I believe, is an X-Acto knife. We gently press here, and then we can take it out. This is no clean flux. However, I do like to clean it a little bit, but you don't have to. That is, the trace is fixed, so let's make sure that the system is powering on. We are going to give it some juice, give it some power. That is the power, and this is the flex cable that goes onto the other side of the motherboard. And again, this is a Nintendo Switch Lite. We are going to turn it on by pressing this little button here. And let's see if it comes on. There it is, guys. So the Nintendo Switch is fixed, and it's booting up now. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and we'll see you guys again in the next one. Okay, thanks again.